Hello students, everyone welcome back to your online classes, and today's topic is Let's Communicate, chapter 38, page number 53. So communicate means share or exchange information, news or ideas. Okay. A. What do I do? Match and write the numbers in the box. So you have to match, okay, what these things does, okay, so you have to match these things. Number one, this one is, you have to match here, okay, this one is I do calculations. Number two, I mix and grind things in the kitchen. Number three, I cool the room. And number four, I heat food. 5. I help you communicate. And number 6 is I help you withdraw money. B. Who am I? Number 1. I am the chairman of Wipro Limited and I am also sometimes known as the Czar of the Indian IT industry. So who is he? He is Azim Premji. Okay. Number 2. I am the principal founder of Microsoft Corporation. So who is he? He is Bill Gates. 3. I am known as the father of the IT industry in India and co-founder of Infosys. So who is he? He is Narayan Murthy. 4. I, along with my friend Sergey Brin, founded the search engine you use so often, Google. So who is he? He is Larry Page. So page number 54. C. Trace the inventions for communication by numbering them in the order of when they were invented. So things are given here and which things was invented first. So you have to write the options in order, okay. So things are mobile phone, fax machine, carrier pigeon, internet, wireless radio, email, smoke signals and telephone. So these smoke signals was invented first, okay, and carrier pigeon second, and third is wireless radio was invented, and fourth telephone was invented, and fifth fax machine was invented, and sixth internet was invented, seventh email was invented, and eighth mobile phone was invented. Page number 55. Choose the correct answers. Number 1. Before mobile phones, people used the STD facility to call people in different cities or states. What is the full form of STD? So, before mobile phones were not there. So, what the people used to do? People used to use the STD facility to communicate people who are in different states or different cities. So what is the full form of STD? So options are service to dial, subscriber trunk dialing, short term dialing, speed tone dialing. So answer is subscriber trunk dialing. 2. Dash is a common means of transporting goods and people. Options are air transport, land transport, water transport, all of these. So all of these, okay. Air transport, land transport, water transport, okay, this all of these are the common means of transporting goods and people. 3. People all over the world watch the Cricket World Cup 2019 final match being telecast live from Birmingham, UK. How was this possible? So when there was a Cricket World Cup 2009 final match, and from telecast people were seeing the live. Okay, so how was this possible? So options are through mobile networks, through robots, through satellites, through transformers. So answer is through satellites. 4. The pin code is written as 6 digits on letters and postcards. What is it? So in letters and postcards we can see that there will be 6 digits pin code are written on letters and postcards. Okay, so what is it? Options are postal Indian number, permanent Indian number, permanent index number, postal index number. So answer is postal index number. 5. Catamaran is a type of scooter, motorcycle, boat, submarine. So answer is submarine. 6. An email needs a computer and dash. Options are internet connection, World Wide Web, satellite cable, none of these. Answer is internet connection. 7. The difference between people with access to computers and internet and those without this access is called dash. Internet divide, digital divide, web divide, cyberway divide. So answer is digital divide. 8. Bluetooth technology allows dash. Options are landline phone to mobile phone communication, signal transmission on mobile phones only, satellite communication, wireless communication between equipments. So answer is wireless communication between equipments. Next is 56. Chapter 39. Topic is diseases and symptoms. Okay. Each infectious disease has its own specific signs and symptoms. So, each infectious disease causes particular signs and symptoms. Okay, let's learn some of them below. Number 1 is cholera. Cholera is caused by bacterial infection of intestine. Then if someone has cholera, then what will be the symptoms? Symptoms will be rapid heart rate, so speed heart rate, and loss of skin elasticity, dryness inside the mouth, throat, nose and eyelids, low blood pressure, thirst, muscular cramps. 2. Diarrhea. This infection spreads through the consumption of contaminated food and water by dirty hands, etc. So the symptoms will be cramping, abdominal pain, bloating, nausea, fever, vomiting. 3. Influenza. Most commonly known as the flu, it is caused by a contagious virus. So symptoms are body aches and muscular pain, headache, pain in eyes, fatigue and loss of appetite, a dry cough, runny nose and sore throat. 4. Typhoid fever. It is a bacterial infection. It is an acute illness. So the symptoms are poor appetite, generalized aches and pain, headache, fever as high as 104 degrees Fahrenheit, lethargy and diarrhea. A. Match the following diseases with their symptoms. Column 1, column 2. So you have to match the diseases with their symptoms. Okay. Cholera. If a person has cholera, then symptoms will be low blood pressure, influenza, fatigue, typhoid fever, lethargy, diarrhea, abdominal pain. B. Write any 2 symptoms of each of the following. So, diarrhea. If you are having diarrhea, then the symptoms will be cramping, abdominal pain. 2. Typhoid fever, poor appetite, lethargy. Chapter 40. Topic is life cycle of wheat crop. All the crops like rice, jowar, bajra, sarson, etc. have a definite cycle. So, each crop has a definite cycle. Some pictures are given below to show the life cycle of wheat crop. So, given below, these are the pictures of the life cycle of wheat crop. Okay. Let's learn about the life cycle of wheat. The growth of a wheat plant is measured in stages. So, this is the life cycle of wheat crop. Okay. And this wheat plant has also different stages. There are 6 basic stages of growth for a wheat plant. So, in order to grow a wheat plant, there are 6 different stages. Give them numbers 1 to 6 according to the process. So, stages are given here. So, which stage comes first, you have to write the numbers. Okay. So, the stages are tillering stage, booting stage, maturity stage, jointing stage, seedling stage, heading and flowering stage. So, first stage is seedling stage. The stage occurs after germination and begins when the first true leaves emerge from the soil and ends when the first tiller emerges. And second is tillering stage. Tillers are new shoots that are sent up from the root of the plant. Each tiller can grow its own stalk and seed head. And number 3 is jointing stage. The jointing stage starts when the stalk forms its second node or hard joint from which the plant telescopes from upward. Then fourth is booting stage. During this stage, the head of the wheat develops and becomes visible beneath the sheath on the stalk. And fifth is heading and flowering stage. It begins when awns emerge from the sheath. When the awns have emerged, flowering begins and pollination and fertilization occurs. And sixth is maturity stage. It immediately follows fertilization and includes several short stages. Today we will do till here, and exercise I will send you through WhatsApp, and copy all the answers in your books. Okay. Thank you, students.